Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Today we're making a video about unlocking a Wi-Fi router. This is a latest V5 version router, and many of our friends have been waiting for this unlocking process. The model is the B311-221 Huawei, and there's also another model, the B311-220. A lot of people were frustrated because they wanted to use all network SIM cards, but couldn't. Well, the good news is that now this router can support all SIM cards. In this video, we'll show you a live demonstration. As you can see, there's currently a network lock, and we'll unlock it using software, showing you that it works with all networks. We had many requests from friends in Zambia to share this unlocking process, and here it is. Now let's start the software installation, which might take a little time, so please be patient. Once the flashing is complete, we'll show you the SIM card working. Initially, our friend tried an MTN SIM that didn't work, but now with the remote unlocking service we offer, it's all set. If you have a similar router and want it unlocked, you can contact us. We have many latest V5 router devices available for unlocking at reasonable charges. You'll need a laptop or computer for the process. Without that, it won't be possible. So friends, this router can now, as you can see, the MTN network SIM in our router has started working, and the 4G network is up and running along with data connectivity. So friends, this router can now support any SIM card in Zambia, regardless of the network. If you have a Wi-Fi router and want to get it unlocked and you're feeling stuck, you can contact us and get your router unlocked from the comfort of your home. Our contact number is displayed on the screen, so feel free to reach out to us on WhatsApp. I hope you enjoyed this video. We'll meet again in another Wi-Fi router unlocking video. Until then, take care and keep us in your prayers. Goodbye.